with small fish. Here he comes. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. We got him, Lars. We got him, buddy.
Yo, Lars! Nice fish!
So Lars, look at that. We hooked him. He ate your small fish, but the hook got him. That doesn't happen very often.
Yeah.
Nice chuckle. Lars, bring yours up. Reel this line in. Don't put that down. Reel that up. Reel it up fast.
Yeah, it's a shark.
Oh, you got a shark. I can see
Oh, wow.
that fin face.
Yeah.
Hold them right there.
Hey, look at that.
Everybody's go back down. He's going.
That's a nice halibut. That's a nice halibut. Oh, man.
Woohoo.
Drop it.
They're getting bigger.
Good job, Robin.
Coming through.
Go. Good job. Good job.
We can eat ray fin.
Oh, that floor's hot. Give me some shoes, guys. Give me some shoes.
Stand right here. Stand right here.
Give
Stand
me
on
some
that.
shoes. Give me some shoes.
Shoes?
Good brother.
Don't be a
Or, no, here.
That floor's hot. Oh, that non-skid is hot, bro.
some beer on your feet.
Look at that.
Fucking A.
Oh my gosh.
Is that about 50 pounds? Just took, fuck, it's a ray. It's gotta be a ray. Taking line the way it is.
You never know. I've been tricked, and they've been 40-pound yellowtail.
He's starting to get tired.
Who, me or him?
Both of y'all.
Oh yeah, he's bigger.
Oh,
than
yeah.
Brian.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Nice.
Oh, got him in the gills.
Still on. Still on.
That's a good fish, Lars.